Hi guys, as you're aware, I have special interest in aesthetic medicine, in cosmetics, and after more than 10 years in a mainstream aesthetic and cosmetic medicine, I have decided to change my views on it and use more natural products. Well, this is basically helped me to create my own products, my own cream, which is all organic. They don't contain any SLS, parabens. It's all organic, butter, mango seed butter, everything, essential oils, all organic. But anyway, I would like to talk today about Biogel, as I called it, a healing gel. This healing gel, I actually presented at the conference in Goa to some of the dermatologists. I studied this methods with Dr. Akhmerov, and obviously I have my own touch, and I call that Biogel. This is a product created from your own blood. I basically used the methods of Akhmerov, but I created my own thing as well. And this is a unique product being created from your own blood product, basically. So what biogels can do? Apart from biogel, there is a viscose form as well of the plasma. As you're aware, plasma have all sorts of micro elements, vitamins that you need, and also the main thing is a fibrin. It's a protein which is very important. When you heat it up, it becomes like a jelly-like substance, which helps to deal with the fine lines, deep lines, loss of collagen, neck. You can the rings of Venus, you can fix that stuff quite easily and with the less side effects. So what I'm going to do in the next video, I'm just going to show how it's been created. If you have some questions, please do let me know so I can answer them. But next video is going to be how it's been made, the gel, and also some results. Thank you. Hi guys, Dr. Andrew Musso here, and Antico.
Antico, yes. So we're making biogel today. As you can see, we're loading up the blood into the centrifuge. We're distributing the test tubes opposite each other, so there's equal weight distribution. Therefore, the centrifuge doesn't, essentially blow up. As you can see, we're spinning. So we spin them for 10 minutes, and then that will separate the hemoglobin, the white blood cells, and the plasma, which is
platelet-rich plasma.
Platelet-rich plasma. Right. So we're gonna extract the plasma with this syringe, as you can see right now, and then we are going to put the plasma into a dry heat bath. This dry heat bath denatures the proteins, allowing for a more gel-like consistency. Once we, as you can see, we're now putting it into, so we do this for 4 minutes at 77 degrees. That's what it looks like afterwards. And now we put in between syringes to homogenize the gel. There you go, and that's the final product.
Easy to inject.
Perfect.